Hello, I'm Gary Smith, and I'm the Program Coordinator and Instructor for the Manufacturing, Engineering, Technology program at Hazard Community Technical College. I'm here today in the E.O. Robinson Intergenerational Training Center, and I want to tell you a little bit about the Manufacturing, Engineering, Technology program. So in this program, we use a hands-on approach to learning advanced manufacturing. We utilize the components that you see every day in manufacturing to train our students on. We have equipment such as CNC mills, CNC lathes, 3D printers, robotic arms. You learn traits such as basic electricity, programmable logical controllers, hydraulics, pneumatics, robotics, and we've got a lot of fascinating equipment in here. And if you like to work with your hands and if you like to troubleshoot and problem solve, I think this program will be a good fit for you.
Hello, I'm Austin Rafferty, the Program Coordinator and Instructor and Advisor for the Computer-Aided Drafting and Design and Surveying program here at Hazard Community Technical College. Through this program, in a 2-year time frame, you're going to acquire 8 different certificates, a diploma, and your associate's degree. And some of the certificates offered are in the fields of mechanical drafting, architectural drafting, civil drafting, 3D modeling and 3D printing, and surveying. And those areas of study are really good in the job industry, in the job market right now. You're able to go to work pretty quickly at a competitive salary position, just because you're trained in areas that are really looking for a specific type of work. And in the past, a lot of programs are focused on one or the other, surveying and the drafting side of things. However, in industry, these jobs go so hand in hand that the employers are looking for 2 different people to fulfill these jobs. Well, in this specially designed program, we've actually combined both areas into one program. So what that does for you is employers are really going to be interested in being able to hire one individual instead of 2, because you have the knowledge of all of it. You're able to go out in the field, do the survey work, bring that back into the office, complete the map, and anything required as a CAD technician as well. So in 2 years, you're able to leave this program and go straight to work.
Hi, I'm Randy Bowling, the welding instructor at Hazard Community and Technical College. I'm here with the Vertex 360 and 2 of the students, which is going to demonstrate. This tells everything that you're doing right, everything that you're doing wrong. We want to see all students succeed. I currently have 2 students that's out in the field working for the past 5 years. They're making $150,000 a year in pipeline welding. You can also receive all the certificates, which is about 10 different certificates. And we invite you to come and see the program.